Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. This is T.G.I.F fish segment of the week. I'm still doing shrimp, y'all. I got a few more shrimp I need to get rid of, so we're gonna do some buffalo fried shrimp. All it is like buffalo chicken tenders. We're gonna make shrimp. This is one of my favorite things. I used to love. All my co-workers too at my job. I used to make these all the time, at least once a month. Take some fried shrimp, make some buffalo sauce, toss it in there, eat it with some ranch or blue cheese. I like blue cheese though. Very simple, very easy, y'all. I'm gonna set this buffalo stuff aside. I got 3 things here gonna make buffalo sauce here in just a second. First thing I need to do is season this shrimp up. So I got me some little, my little shake here. Cavenders here. Salt and pepper. And toss this all together. Just a little toss. Toss up. And I got 1620 still on, y'all. That's the kind of shrimp I like to use for fried. I don't like to use no bigger, no smaller. You can use 2125s tail on. I'm using P&D tail on. Maybe I can leave the tail on these. Because I think when you dip in it's like a handle when you dip in the shrimp into the sauce. That's why when I make buffalo shrimp or fried shrimp, anything, I leave the tail on it. It's a natural handle. Now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little whole buttermilk here. Just kind of spritz it on, not a lot. Get a little marinade there. Toss that in there right there. Let that hang out there a little bit. Now, let me move these sauces, let me move these spices over out the way, y'all. We're gonna come back, we're gonna flour these up. Okay. I got some flour in the bag here. Usually I do it, a little bitty. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, y'all, really, seriously. I usually, hold on, let me grab a pan here, y'all. I ain't ready yet, y'all. Right here. I got some flour in the bag here. I'm gonna shake and bake it. Shake it. I think I'm gonna do it the nice way, y'all. I'm gonna take some shrimp here. Put it in here like this. Y'all can see what I'm doing. No, you can't. But kind of dust it like that. Just be nice with it, because what it is, y'all, I want the flour to go in between the shrimp. Let me move this down just a little here so y'all can see. I was gonna just shake it in the bag, but I decided I'm gonna do it just like this. See that? I'm gonna show y'all a couple more. This is just all-purpose flour, y'all. That's all this is. All-purpose flour. And of course, if you don't have a deep fryer, which I'm gonna deep fry these. If you don't have a deep fryer, just put it in a skillet with some vegetable oil, y'all. That's all. So anyway, y'all, we're gonna step off. We'll be right back. I'm gonna get them all breaded up. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna make the sauce. It's gonna take 5 minutes. And then while these are frying, we're gonna make the sauce. And we're gonna toss them in. We're gonna have some old school buffalo shrimp. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. I got the shrimp here already breaded. And we've been get them in the fryer. And while they frying, y'all, I'm gonna get my sauce. You know it ain't gonna take about 2 minutes to fry this. And these will be done through frying by the time I make the sauce. I'll get them nice and crispy. Here. Yeah, I know I'm gonna put them on a wire rack once they come out, and then we're gonna fight it, kind of move them around. Actually, I'm gonna finish these, let these fry off, and then I'm gonna do my sauce, because I don't wanna. This ain't gonna take but a second to cook, y'all. I got my wire rack here, so when they come out. Then we're gonna toss them in that hot sauce. And they're gonna be all kind of goodness, y'all. Let's A few seconds, like I say, shrimp don't take but not even 2 minutes. Definitely don't never want to overcook your shrimp, y'all. Nice and crispy there. A little bit more. Yeah, we're gonna take them out of here. There we go. There we go, y'all. There we go. How pretty and golden brown these are. Take long at all on shrimp. Okay. Now we're gonna move over here to our pot here. And this ain't gonna take long either, y'all. All I got here is 3 items, y'all. I got butter I'm gonna put in here. Hot sauce. And I put a little sambal, which is garlic, Asian garlic hot sauce. That's all that is. Give it an extra spice there. And all I want to do, y'all, I just want to melt this. I don't want to boil it. Let me set my shrimp over here to the side here. This in here. I just want to bring it to a, like I say, it ain't gonna take 2 minutes, y'all, to do this. You want to get it up to a heat to melt that butter. That's all you want to do. Melt the butter to the hot sauce, get it incorporated. And you see how quick that's going? The butter's already melting. I'm gonna turn my fire off over here. I don't heat it no more. See how quick that's coming together, y'all? That's just regular Louisiana hot sauce. I'm using salted butter and some sambal, y'all. That's all I'm using. A little bit more here. See how quick this coming together. And like I say, it's careful not to be, it's very important that you don't boil this, because if you do, it's gonna split it. And it's not gonna cling to the shrimp. Now I'm gonna cut the fire off and let the residual heat melt the rest of the butter. See how easy and quick that was? We got buffalo wing sauce. People be buying buffalo wing sauce already made. And you can make your own already at home. It takes less than 5 minutes, y'all. All right, next thing I'm gonna do here, I got a bowl. All right, I got my bowl here. We're gonna get our shrimp here that we fried off, put in the bowl. And hear how crispy that shrimp is, y'all. Hear how crispy that shrimp is. Okay, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take that sauce I just made and pour on top of that shrimp. And we're gonna take our spatula here and toss it around here. And I want all that sauce to soak into this shrimp, y'all. That's why I'm gonna let it sit in here about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm not gonna take it out. I want that sauce to completely just soak into that shrimp. That's why I put flour on it. It's gonna soak all into that shrimp. And when we come back, I'm gonna have it all plated up and we're gonna try it out. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all, I got them all soaked into that nice, see that? Nice sauce there. We're gonna check it out here, y'all. let's say I'm gonna keep it fancy while I'm on camera. But after that, perfect, y'all. Try one. This perfect. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked, y'all. Not overcooked. Just like chicken. And you can do fish like this too. Get you some snapper, even catfish, y'all. I'm telling you. Toss it in the sauce. I got some sauce left over here too. Good eating. Another way to eat the shrimp, y'all. Well, anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022. Helping others with a prepper, old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.